Hi, I'm Mladin, Senior Laboratory Technician here at Dell Tech. Today, we are going to talk about flashpoint testing, which is part of Dell Tech's product safety laboratory services. Flashpoint testing is required for consumer chemicals such as glass cleaners, hand sanitizer, or surface cleaners containing alcohol like ethanol or IPA, as well as workplace chemicals such as lubricants or solvents. These products often contain one or more flammable chemicals. Flashpoint testing determines if the overall mixture is flammable. So what is flashpoint exactly? It's the lowest temperature corrected to standard pressure at which the application of an ignition source causes the vapors of a liquid to ignite. Flashpoint is important because it determines a product's chemical classification for both shipping and labeling. It is required for a flammable liquid classification under the globally harmonized system of classification and labeling of chemicals, also known as GHS, and the Consumer Chemicals and Containers Regulation, known as CCCR. Dell Tech performs two standard test methods for flashpoint testing: ASTM D56, standard test method for flashpoint by tag closed cup tester, and ASTM D93, standard test method for flashpoint by Pensky-Martens Closed Cup Tester. Today we will talk about ASTM D56. ASTM D56 uses a tag closed cup tester to determine the flashpoint of liquids with a low viscosity, products with a similar consistency to water, like hand sanitizer sprays or air freshener liquids. The liquid sample is pre-cooled, if necessary, to ensure that when testing begins, the sample temperature is 27 plus minus 5 degrees Celsius, or at least 10 degrees Celsius below the expected flashpoint of the sample, whichever is the lowest. Then the sample is placed in a cup of the tester. The sample is heated at a slow, constant rate, and the ignition source is applied at specified temperature intervals. The sample is deemed to have flashed when a large flame appears and instantaneously propagates itself over the entire surface of the test sample. The observed flashpoint is corrected for barometric pressure. Determining an accurate flashpoint for a product is important to ensure compliant classification. For example, a mistakenly low flashpoint can trigger supplementary costs related to packaging, shipping, and storage. On the other hand, a mistakenly high flashpoint can incorrectly classify a product as less hazardous than it should be, causing incorrect or missing hazard warnings. This can be a risk for those involved in manufacturing, shipping, storing, and using the product. Dell Tech's laboratories is ISO 17025 certified and has the necessary equipment and trained staff to perform flashpoint testing, both ASTM D56 that we discussed today, as well as ASTM D93. Our staff can assist you with testing and classification for GHS, CCCR, and CPSC. If you would like more information about transportation of dangerous goods, the Department of Transportation or GHS requirements in Canada or the United States, please contact Dell Tech Laboratories for further details.